Hi, today we are going to do a deep dive into Guardant Health's recent announcement regarding their Guardant360 Tissue product. We will discuss the value proposition of this product, review the key elements of the technology and clinical offering, analyze the competitive landscape, summarize financial expectations, and finally share our perspective on the strategic implications of this launch. As always, if you have any questions after watching this report, please don't hesitate to reach out to us directly. Let's begin. In April 2025, Guardant Health announced the commercial availability of Guardant360 Tissue, which marks a significant milestone in the company's evolution as a precision oncology company. Guardant360 Tissue represents a substantial advancement from Guardant's previous DNA-only assay by integrating genomic, transcriptomic, epigenomic, and proteomic analyses within a single platform. The test leverages the company's advanced sequencing and bioinformatics technologies to deliver comprehensive multiomic profiles of solid tumor cancers. Guardant360 Tissue offers multiomic profiling of up to 742 genes using next-generation sequencing, analyzing both coding and non-coding regions of DNA to detect clinically relevant variants. Additionally, the test profiles up to 367 genes using targeted RNA sequencing, examining gene expression and splicing alterations. Moreover, it provides epigenetic information through methylation analysis of over 19,000 signals and 47 promoter genes, as well as insights into tumor microenvironment biology. Guardant360 Tissue also integrates IHC analysis of 8 biomarkers, including HER2, MMR, PD-L1, CMET, PRKI67, CDLN18, and FOLR1. The test utilizes only 6 slides, which is 40% fewer slides and 92% less tissue surface area compared to other tissue-based multi-omic assays. It enables more patients with limited biopsy material to be eligible for testing. With results available in approximately 11 days, Guardant360 Tissue offers a faster turnaround time compared to many existing tissue-based multi-omic assays. Medicare now covers the cost of Guardant360 Tissue for patients with advanced solid tumors, making it accessible across the U.S. immediately. Guardant360 Tissue becomes the second test within the Guardant Infinity platform, which is the company's suite of highly integrated tests that provide comprehensive molecular characterization of cancers through both liquid and tissue modalities. The integration of these two platforms allows for the analysis of both blood and tissue samples concurrently or sequentially, providing a more complete picture of a patient's disease. This comprehensive approach enables better treatment decisions and monitoring of disease progression. Guardant360 Tissue is expected to contribute to Guardant's growing real-world evidence database, Guardant Inform, which includes molecular, clinical, and outcomes data from more than 1 million cancer patients. This rich dataset can support clinical trials and translational research, potentially leading to the development of new biomarkers and therapies. Furthermore, the combination of multi-omic profiling with Guardant's AI-driven digital pathology platform has the potential to enhance diagnostic accuracy and reduce turnaround times in the future. The introduction of Guardant360 Tissue positions Guardant as a leader in multi-omic profiling, allowing the company to expand its addressable market and provide comprehensive solutions for cancer diagnosis and treatment. Guardant expects Guardant360 Tissue to initially focus on advanced solid tumors, a market valued at over $15 billion globally. These cancers often require targeted therapies or immunotherapies, driving the need for comprehensive molecular profiling. Guardant360 Tissue complements the company's existing liquid biopsy offerings and enables a more flexible diagnostic testing strategy, allowing clinicians to select the optimal approach based on a patient's specific situation. As a result, Guardant expects Guardant360 Tissue to increase clinical adoption of its diagnostics, driving revenue growth and expanding its precision oncology leadership position. Next, let's quickly cover the company's financial expectations. In Q1 2025, Guardant reported total revenues of $203.5 million, representing a 21% increase year-over-year. The growth was driven by strong performance across both the oncology and screening segments. For full year 2025, Guardant raised its revenue guidance to a range of $880-890 million, which represents 19 to 20% growth over 2024. Non-GAAP gross margin is expected to be in the range of 62 to 63%, which is slightly up from 62% in 2024. The company anticipates operating expenses to be in the range of $830-840 million, primarily driven by investments to expand its screening infrastructure. As a result, Guardant projects its free cash flow burn for 2025 to be in the range of $225-235 million, which is an improvement from $275 million in 2024. Looking ahead to 2026, the company's earnings are expected to improve significantly, with analysts forecasting an EPS of $2.80. Finally, let's take a quick look at Guardant's stock price and analyst ratings. Currently trading at approximately $37.09, Guardant's 12-month price targets range from a low of $32 to a high of $70, with an average target of $50.81. This represents a potential upside of 40 to 0.38%. Notably, the analyst consensus rating for the stock is strong based on 21 professional analysts' forecasts. In summary, the launch of Guardant360 Tissue represents a significant step forward for Guardant Health, marking a transition from a blood-first to a tissue-first or concurrent strategy in precision oncology. By integrating multiomic profiling, the company aims to expand its clinical decision-making flexibility, improve biomarker precision, and broaden patient eligibility, particularly in solid tumors. Guardant's comprehensive approach to diagnostics positions it as a leader in the field, driving clinical adoption and revenue growth. While challenges remain, including reimbursement complexities and competition, Guardant's strong financial performance and positive analyst sentiment suggest potential upside for investors. Continued innovation and execution will be crucial for the company's success in the evolving precision oncology market.